Hey friends, it's Kevia. Welcome back or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'll be giving my guest bedroom and bathroom a deep clean. If you're interested, please keep watching. All right, you guys, so my mom will be coming to visit us. This will be her first time seeing the house in person. We've been here for almost 2 years now. She was here a few years ago prior to us buying this home, but she'll be doing some house sitting for us while my husband and I are on vacation. So she'll be spending some much needed time with her Nana kids, as she call them. And my niece will be here with her as well. So when you guys are seeing this video, we are actually already in Jamaica, so I wanted to make sure I had some content scheduled while I am away. I have been recording a lot lately. I just have not gotten around to doing the editing, but just look forward to a lot of videos. Not promising you guys that it'll be out this week because I definitely want to enjoy this vacation. It is much needed. So I can't promise you guys that I'll be doing any editing while I'm away, but I'll be sure to capture some moments and share that with you all once we get back. But look forward to this video on Sunday.
I've been thinking about you. I'm waiting for it all to come true. I'm longing to hear you say, you know that I miss us. I wanna be the one that you trust, 'cause you have stolen my heart away. There can't be no other. Baby, I don't even bother whatever they have to say. My heart's already chose you. It's so scary thinking I can lose you, that you will turn and walk away. Maybe I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in love with you. So what can I do? What can I do? Every day it's getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. So come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. Every day it's getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. I never thought I'd feel this way. I never thought I'd feel this way. Falling, yes, I'm falling. Those blue memories start calling, but you can take it all away. 'Cause I am yours forever. No one can love you better. Tell me, is it you and me now? Maybe I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in love with you. So what can I do? What can I do? Every day it's getting harder. Every day you choose me. So come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. It's getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. I never thought I'd feel this way. Feel this way. Never thought I'd feel this way. Feel this way. Every day it's getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. So come and take my breath away. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an ever since I replay. gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is televisions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. We don't really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her.
All right, friends, that's going to be it for this video. My mom and my niece absolutely love their gift baskets. My mom loved the house, period. The room, she just kept telling me and my husband that she was so proud of us. But I was so happy that she was able to come and just be able to spend some time with the kids. But as always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.
To smile, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them.